Time to go out on another ride on the Vulcan S. Two brothers racing exhaust. Got the Mac Echo LED headlight with the halo ring. Gotta love it. Corbin seat, so comfortable. Fender eliminator kit, love it. Ah, wait, I still don't have my wallet. God damn it. Sexy ass thing. Let's try this again. Alright, now we're going off on a ride on the Vulcan 650s. Got a little bit of air there. Oh my god, I love traffic. Dude, it's on my fucking ass, yo. Go the fuck off. Like, did that guy really have to go to the exit lane to get up another car in front? What's up, guy? Just pulled up next to you. He's a badass, he's a Harley. And he's wearing no helmet. What a badass. Please don't fucking hit me. Let's see, where is there an open spot for me? I'm just a little bike. I can fit anywhere, guys. Ooh, I found a spot. Got this whole spot to myself. Damn. Look at this chica. Excuse me, miss. It's a Vulcan 650.
That shit sounds good as
It's a Kawasaki. It's got the Sport Ninja motorcycle engine in it, and it's like a cruiser frame.
That shit sounds good as hell. Yeah, I'm looking at it.
They're mad cheap. Like brand new, it's only like between 7 to 8 grand. So it shit's fun, and then yeah, it's perfect. It's like mad lightweight and everything. That's two brothers. Yeah.
I thought two brothers are toast.
Yeah, they're fucking awesome.
You can never be too loud on the bike.
Exactly, right?
See how that guy pulled out right in front of you?
Yeah.
You can never be too loud, bro.
That's true. I mean, at least it's safer.
Yo, can I get your number, girl?
I'm taken.
What? Bullshit.
I'm actually married.
Come on, this is a 400-pound vibrator right here for you.
The ring that look at the ring that my fiance got me. It's
I can do
way
better
too
than
big
that.
for so I have to put it on the middle.
I bet she can't give you a thrill on the bike like I can.
Okay, what? You don't have a passenger seat though.
You can fit your ass right there.
I won't fit on that.
Yes, you will. You won't know till you try, so you might as well try and hop on. I'll be a home wrecker mad fast. Thank you, Waze, for that traffic update. I get it, there's cops here. Thank you. So you gonna pull me over? Nope. More cops up ahead. There's the popo. Come out and play, Austin. Don't be a little bitch.